we are moving on to the next step. Here, we will load the required libraries and the packages. So I am adding the header. Step one, load the required libraries and dataset. So here, basically, we are going to install and load two libraries. The very first library we require is tidyverse. So tidyverse is a collection of packages for data science. The second package I'm going to need is dplyr. Is used for grouping and summarizing data. These two are the packages I'm going to need, and the third package I'm going to need is ggplot2. This package I'm going to need in the subsequent version of this program for visualization. Now, there are three particular packages. One is tidyverse, dplyr, ggplot2. We should install them before we can use them. In order to install these packages, I'm going to the console. You can, in the console, type install dot packages. In the single quote, you can write tidyverse. On my computer, I have already installed tidyverse package, but again, I'm trying to install this package. Because I have installed it already, it uploads the package if there are any new version of it, otherwise it returns. In your case, it might take a little longer than what it has taken for me because you are installing from the scratch. The second package I'll be installing is install.packages dplyr. This is the package I'm installing. The second package I'm installing is, and don't forget to add the single or the double quotes surrounding the package name. The second package also, it did not take much time because I had already installed previously this package, and it is just updating anything if there is anything new to this package. And the third package is install.packages ggplot2. So this package is also very important for the visualization. These three packages are very much required. Before in hand, I had already installed these three packages, and in your case, it might take couple of seconds and couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once after installing these packages, we need to load those packages. Merely installing the package doesn't guarantee those packages will be useful because our programming uses excessive primary memory, that is RAM. Keeping all the packages which are installed on the primary memory will clutter the space of the computer. As and when we require any packages, we need to bring into the main memory, utilize them, and we need to remove those packages if they are not usable. Now, to load the package, I need to install the code block. For installing the code block, there is a shortcut option, Command I in Mac, otherwise in the Windows. So otherwise, you can add the executable block by going to this particular icon here and click on this one, R. This also adds the code block. In case if you want to add the code block from the visual part, you can go to Insert, Executable Cell, R. This also will work. Basically, code block is the part of your R4 document which gets executed. All other part is markdown, but the code block is only the part gets executed whenever something you want to execute. So let me write a library. The package which we had installed is tidyverse. This library I'm loading. The second library I may need is dplyr, library dplyr. So these two are the packages. And the third package we may need is ggplot2, library ggplot2. These three are the libraries we are loading onto the main memory to use the capabilities or the functionalities offered by these three libraries. So let me click on this green color button on the right side of this code block. So once after doing it, these three libraries got loaded. In case if you want to see the source mode also, you can see, you can again execute, you can get these three libraries getting executed. Okay, these three libraries got loaded. Next step is to load the data. Actually, we are using all the data which is inbuilt available in RStudio. We are not using anything else outside from the RStudio. There is a package called as datasets. In that datasets package, we have a library called, there's a package called dataset. We have the empty cast data built into the datasets package. By default, the datasets package gets loaded onto the main memory. You can directly use the functionality of datasets. So empty cast is a dataset, will be available from the datasets package. So in order to check from where the empty cast dataset is coming, you can add the question mark empty cast. That will open the empty cast page from the help. You can see it is in the datasets package. So this is what is empty cars. We can read the description, and from which package it is coming from, we can read the subsequent part of this first line of the help document. This curly braces is indicating the datasets is a package giving us the empty cars dataset. So we'll be using this empty cars dataset in this experiment to explore the problem statement we are going to do as a program file. So we will start exploring the empty cast dataset in the next part of the video. Thank you.